going on, boys? It's your boy Chris here from On The Rise Imports, and today we are back with another video. We are going to be doing a little cool grill, blacked out grill update. An actual grill, not just plastic dipping or anything like that. I just took the car to the actual wash itself. It still looks a little bit dirty, but their soap thing wasn't working, so I'm gonna have to clean it off. You know, just looks a little bit dirty. But so for starters, right here on the Hondas, there's like a couple clips right here. Although that one's broken off, that sucks. But we're gonna be taking this off right here. And there's a couple screws on the back side of it. So what we're gonna do right now is just take all these off real quick. And then go from underneath here with the screwdriver, and you could unscrew them from back there. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's get started. All right, boys, so we just took off the bumper real quick. There's just a bolt right here, a bolt on the other side, and two on the bottom, and then all of the Lico clip things in the top of it. So what I was talking about on the back side of it, there is a couple of, let me see if you can see them. Yeah, they're right there. There's a couple underneath. I wanna say there's four. There's like one right here, one right here, one right here, one right here. And then these are nothing, this is just locking in place. So we're gonna take this out and we're gonna put the new one on and see what it looks like. So you guys, boys, so we're gonna be putting back on the bumper now, and we could actually put this with the bumper on because it doesn't have the little screws in the back side of it. So we are gonna be putting this on. We're gonna see what it looks like. It's not fully flushed or anything so far. Looks pretty cool. I like it. So let's just put the rest of the stuff on and let's see what it looks like. All right, boys, so what you think? You know, with the black rims, you know, the tint and everything. What do you think of the new grill? I don't know how I feel about it just yet. Because like you can see like a little, like, I don't know if you could see through it, but you can kind of see through it. I still gotta wash it up and stuff like that. But I don't know how I feel about it just yet, because I do like the Honda one, to be honest. I feel like the Honda one was painted and everything like that. It'd be super cool. Super legit. But I don't know, guys, what you think? Like, she's looking good though. She's finally like looking, I don't know how I feel about it yet. Let's put it on the street real quick and then let's see what she looks like. All right, boys, let's do it. All right, boys, so it is growing on me because look at this angle right here. Like, look, jeez, that shit looks pretty decent. Although I wish I didn't have this in the front bumper, but I mean, if I take these out, you're gonna see the holes, so might as well just leave it there. I like it, bro. I like it a lot. The only thing is right here, like, I like this too. Oh, you can't really see it, but the intake's right there. I don't know if it's my wheel rubbing or what's going on, but these tires are pretty nice too though. Like, honestly, these Ironman Gen 2s, they're pretty soft and everything else like that. So they're really nice. I mean, overall the car does super good. So I want to debadge it too, but oh, this one's already kind of coming off already. So debadging it, that would look pretty dope. What do you guys think? Should we actually debadge the car? It's already coming off, but then if I debadge it, behind it, it's gonna be like super red and nice red. So I don't know, guys, I don't know, but all I know is she's starting to look good. Like, oh my God, whose woman is this? You know, if it wasn't for this right here and like the clear coat coming off, she would look like super fucking good, just black and red. I just can't get over here, but I do like these. We're gonna have to get new headlights for sure. If we get new, I say like new headlights, new taillights, and like a little paint job, I think she would be killing it. Honestly, I honestly think she'd just, look at her, like, damn, she just looks so good. So yeah, buddy, boys. So other than that, we're probably just gonna clean up the engine a little bit. I don't have my pressure washer out right now. We could just clean it up real quick. And I think she's kind of leaking oil. We also got to fill the coolant reservoir right here. So we're going to do that real quick. Clean up the rest of her. It's too hot to be doing this. Like, it's a little bit dirty from when I washed it, but it's too hot right now. So yeah, so looking pretty decent. I don't know, I'm in love right now, guys. Generally in love. Don't mind the towel or anything like that. And then I finally fixed the cruise control again, so that works. So everything's working in here. So like the interior is super clean, you know, just got the racing seats, you got the sparkles, you know what I'm saying? But I need to pull this back. There we go. Yeah, because this thing is not going right here. Okay, there we go. Oh, nice. So yeah, let's get to the engine, guys, do all that, and then go from there. All right, boys, so now since that one's done, we're cleaning this one out. I haven't had the hatch open in like 3 years because I locked it and then I broke the key off in one of the doors. I just never got it replaced since. So now we're just gonna clean it up back here. I mean, it's super dusty. Like, there's a lot of crud on here. But yep, OMC Off-Road. This is my dad's company. He made all this. That one has it in there too, but these are super legit. Like, you know, got the shovel up there, you know, different little things. So let's get this vacuumed up real quick while I have some time on my hands. And then the box is right here, which I need to actually mount it better. I mounted this, it fell out one year when we were out in the desert, probably like 2 years ago, because I haven't really had her running great enough to take her back out again. But she is literally almost ready, so all I need to do is get her a smog, put her tags, computer, transmission computer, and then a transfer case, and then she'll be ready again. Because I broke the transfer case the one YouTube video, that I made, and I took her off-roading and I just cracked everything. So then after that, she needed a transfer case. She needs a new transmission computer module, or TCU. And then she also needs a smog. So, you know, little things. I could have got that like a week ago, the transmission control module, but I got other shit for her instead because she got a new short shifter, because I'll have to tell you the story with that one. And then the grill. So then this one I'm going to be getting soon. So, but right now we just need to vacuum it. Honestly, we need to get her back in tip-top shape. I'm tired of her just sitting all the time. So because of that, we are going to be starting to go really hamburglar on this vehicle. So for now, we're just going to give it a good old vacuum and then just go from there.